Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for January 7th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, sources suggest that Shire's potential $32 billion purchase of Baxalta depends on whether the large cash component of the deal will trigger a big tax bill. People said that Shire is still seeking confirmation that the tax-free status of Baxalta's spin-off from Baxter would not be jeopardized by a cash payment. Also featured, Dynavax Technologies' experimental hepatitis B vaccine HEPLISAV-B met the main endpoints of a late-stage study versus GlaxoSmithKline's Engerix-B. The goals comprised the rates of clinically significant adverse events and non-inferiority of seroprotection in participants with diabetes mellitus. In other news, Roche entered a deal with C4 Therapeutics potentially worth over $750 million to develop treatments in the field of targeted protein degradation. The companies will use C4's technology to develop drugs that target disease-causing proteins and facilitate their destruction and clearance through the ubiquitin proteasome system. In addition, Novo Nordisk submitted a marketing application in Europe for the approval of nonacog beta pegol for patients with hemophilia B. The company said it expects to file an application for the long-acting factor IX in the US during the first half of 2016. And finally, a study found that an experimental Ebola treatment developed using plasma from survivors is not effective against the virus. Results showed that survival was not significantly better in patients who received transfusions of the plasma than in those who did not receive the therapy. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.